Welcome to Yemaya's Health and Wellness Hub. This is going to blow your mind. Sweet potatoes, vibrant and versatile, a culinary canvas. From savory stews to sweet treats, they add a burst of flavor. A nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are a gift, from the earth to our tables. But their appeal goes beyond taste and looks. Sweet potatoes offer a wealth of health benefits backed by scientific research. They can improve vision, support digestion, boost the immune system, and much more. In this exploration, we'll uncover the amazing world of sweet potatoes. We'll delve into their nutritional profile, examine the science behind their health claims, and discover delicious ways to incorporate them into our diets. Get ready to embrace the sweet potato, a superfood for a healthier, happier you. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Sweet potatoes are nutritional stars, bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. These vibrant tubers are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. A single serving provides a significant amount of vitamin A, crucial for vision, skin health, and cell growth. This makes sweet potatoes an excellent choice for maintaining overall health. In fact, just one sweet potato can fulfill your daily vitamin A needs. It's a simple and tasty way to ensure you're getting this essential nutrient. But the nutritional goodness doesn't stop there. Sweet potatoes are also rich in other vitamins and minerals that contribute to a balanced diet. Sweet potatoes are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production. This helps keep your skin looking youthful and your immune system strong. They also provide potassium, an electrolyte that regulates blood pressure and muscle contractions. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can help maintain a healthy heart and proper muscle function. And let's not forget about fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help prevent various digestive issues. Sweet potatoes are packed with it, both soluble and insoluble fiber. This combination aids digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Including sweet potatoes in your meals can be a delicious way to support your digestive health. Sweet potatoes also boast an array of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage. Reducing the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet, you can enjoy their delicious taste while reaping numerous health benefits. Sweet potatoes are renowned for their vision-boosting properties. This is largely due to their high beta-carotene content. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for eye health. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness and other vision problems. Sweet potatoes provide an abundance of this crucial vitamin, helping maintain optimal eye function. Moreover, sweet potatoes contain other antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds protect the eyes from harmful blue light, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Studies have shown that a diet rich in beta-carotene is linked to a lower risk of developing cataracts, and sweet potatoes are an excellent source of this powerful antioxidant. Section 4. Digestive harmony. Sweet potatoes for a happy gut. Sweet potatoes are a boon for digestive health, thanks to their impressive fiber content. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Both soluble and insoluble fiber are present in sweet potatoes. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance in the gut. This helps slow down digestion, regulating blood sugar levels, and promoting satiety. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, doesn't dissolve in water. It adds bulk to stool, helping it move through the digestive tract with ease. Sweet potatoes also contain prebiotics. These are types of fiber that feed the beneficial bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion, immune function, and overall health. Section 5. Immunity booster, sweet potatoes for a strong defense. A robust immune system is our body's shield against infections and diseases. It acts as a vigilant guardian, constantly on the lookout for harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. And sweet potatoes pack an immune-boosting punch. These vibrant tubers are not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Their high vitamin A content plays a crucial role in supporting immune function. Vitamin A is essential for the proper functioning of our immune system. Vitamin A helps maintain the integrity of mucous membranes. These membranes are our body's first line of defense, preventing pathogens from entering. These membranes line our respiratory and digestive tracts, acting as a barrier against pathogens. They trap and neutralize harmful invaders before they can cause harm. Furthermore, sweet potatoes are a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system. Vitamin C is known for its role in boosting immunity. Vitamin C boosts the production of white blood cells. These cells are crucial for fighting off infections and keeping us healthy. These cells are our body's first line of defense against infections. They identify, attack, and destroy harmful invaders, ensuring our well-being. By incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet, you're providing your body with valuable nutrients that support a healthy and resilient immune system. So, enjoy this versatile and tasty vegetable, and give your immune system the boost it deserves. Section 6. Sweet potato versatility, from breakfast to dessert. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile. They are not only nutritious but also adaptable to a wide range of culinary applications. They can be enjoyed in countless ways, from savory to sweet and everything in between. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty meal or a light snack, sweet potatoes have got you covered. For a hearty breakfast, try sweet potato toast. It's a nutritious and delicious way to start your day. Simply slice a sweet potato lengthwise, toast it until tender, and top it with your favorite toppings like avocado, eggs, or nut butter. The possibilities are endless. For lunch or dinner, roasted sweet potatoes are a crowd pleaser. They are easy to prepare and packed with flavor. Toss them with olive oil, herbs, and spices, and roast them until tender and slightly caramelized. The result is a dish that's both healthy and satisfying. They make a delicious side dish, or you can add them to salads, grain bowls, or tacos. Their natural sweetness pairs well with a variety of ingredients. And for a sweet treat, try sweet potato brownies. These are a healthier alternative to traditional brownies without compromising on taste. These fudgy, decadent brownies are surprisingly healthy, made with whole wheat flour, maple syrup, and of course sweet potatoes. They are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth while keeping things nutritious. Section 7. Embrace the sweet potato power. Sweet potatoes are more than just a delicious root vegetable. They're a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From improving vision to boosting immunity, sweet potatoes offer a wide range of health benefits backed by scientific research. Their versatility in the kitchen is unmatched, allowing for endless culinary creations. So why not embrace the sweet potato power, incorporate them into your diet, and experience the difference they can make? Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Subscribe, like, comment, and share for more delicious and healthy tips.